Welcome back everyone to another technical analysis, and today we'll take a look at the Solana coin. Straight to the point, we are expecting to see some kind of downside pressure forming here, similar to this area and this area. Basically, this whole pink area from what's like 78 to $94 area has been acting as like a pit stop area. What I mean by this is, for example, let's take this here. We had a nice dip, then we had some kind of struggle here, a fight between buyers and sellers. So we had a quick liquidity grab, then a downside momentum, actually two liquidity grabs here, but then eventually it was more of like an accumulation area where sellers accumulated here and then formed a breakout structure and continued the movement to lower zones. Now, after this phase here where the Solana coin was at one of its lowest of them all time, we had the market structure break. Then again, this area here, we had a strong breakout, a retest of this area. So again, some kind of need to stay in this area and then a continuation to the upper zones here. Now, as we had this bigger downside movement here and of course a stronger breakdown from this area, price again dipped inside this zone, and now most probably this will act as a continuation area, which means similar to this one. So expecting to see some kind of maybe one more candle to upper zones, maybe not, depends, but most probably, and the thing that we are looking for is a breakdown from here and then a good shorting position with the risk and reward ratio, give me 1 second, being somewhat like 1 to, wait, stop loss can't be that huge, it had to be, so if the candles stay the same and we have breakdown from here right now, then stop loss would be approximately in this region. Then the risk and reward ratio is like 1 to 2.5, something like this, plus minus. So the key point is to have this stronger breakdown from here, and then most probably the structure wise, the most logical thing would be to move back to this 49 to $44 mark area. So that's the plan on the bigger time frame for the Solana coin. Now, if we go to the smaller time frames, we are seeing that more of like an up and down movements happening. Again, we are inside this area, which we described on a bigger time frame, but we have push, quick down, push, push, quick liquidity grabs. So basically, prices are forming more of like a liquidity grabs rather than a perfect build-up of some kind of structure. So on the smaller time frames, there's nothing much to take up as a trade. One optional trade could be taken on the 30-minute time frame, I think, and that would be only if we see the breakout from the local high area, which would be this zone. Target should be here, stop loss approximately here. So risk and reward ratio is like 1 to 2 in this case. So a breakout from this area, which would trigger in the market structure break on the 30-minute time frame, and a liquidity sweep, quick one to this area, similar maybe to these ones here. So we had up, down, up, down, up, down, and now most probably we're going to see yet another up movement or like a bullish movement. Now, if we don't see this breakout happening here, the next best thing to do is just take it here, go with a really quick one short position, not a long one, and targeting somewhere in this region. Now, in this case, the stop loss has to be very tight because of all the volatile movements the Solana coin has been having. So probably if we see the breakdown, we'll just keep the stop loss somewhere in this region, something like this. So give me 1 second, we have a breakdown here, stop loss would be approximately here. Again, it highly depends on the future candlestick formings. Is it a big one? Is it triple short ones? Where are the wicks and so on? But this is an approximate structure that we are expecting to see on the Solana coin. So on the smaller time frames, nothing much of a clear trade that can be taken. only this long position. If we see this breakout here, the short one is slightly dangerous, but once again, on the weekly time frame, there is nothing more than just a short position, which could give us a 40% decline in the price for the Solana coin. And then this would be an ideal accumulation area similar to this one here. So where's this? Maybe not that low, but something like this. So would probably aim this area to be an accumulation area. So we most probably won't dip below like $20, but I think 45 to 33 is an ideal buy opportunity for the long-term investments. So anyways, that's it for today. As always, if you like this video, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll catch you on the next video.